Are you a foodie who would enjoy cooking more homemade Japanese food? Yatta! Yay! Here's how we can make healthy Japanese food and cooking part of your weekly routine in 5 simple steps. Konnichiwa, I'm Pat Tokuyama if we haven't met before, and I'm a pharmacist by day, and at night I love to teach people like you how to cook plant-based Japanese food so that you can live a longer and healthier life. So Daiichi, step 1, plan what you're going to cook ahead of time. That means sort of like meal planning. That way you can get the ingredients that you need for your recipes that you're gonna make so you don't forget anything, because how many times has that happened when you're just missing one ingredient? That's the worst. Mataku. That's the worst. I know, I've been there. Dai ni. Number 2, cook smart. This means batch your cooking, cook for leftovers, double or triple the recipe, and then freeze the leftovers if possible. That way you can be much more efficient by prepping one time, cooking one time, and cleaning one time. So that would be 1, 1, 1. Dai-san. Number 3, cook what's in season, as in the summertime. Maybe you can do some tomatoes, some cucumbers, some eggplant. Maybe in the wintertime, maybe some squash, some daikon radish, kabocha squash in particular. Maybe in the springtime, asparagus, aspara, maybe some takenoko, which is bamboo shoot. And that way you'll stay inspired and you won't get tired of eating the exact same thing every single day, because nature is telling you what you should be eating, and that is what is in season. Number 4, Daiyon, repeat, practice, build on what you learn, make progress, not perfection, because the more you cook Japanese food, and plant-based Japanese food at that, the better that you're gonna get, the more that you're going to experience, and the more that you're going to enjoy. Plus, you're gonna be more efficient, and you'll also be developing your intuition. Daiji da yo. That's very, very important. Daigo. Number 5, refine and test. Whenever you make a dish, think about it. What is this dish missing? Smell it, taste it, touch it. I guess you could listen to it too if it's making any kind of noise, and see what you could do differently next time to potentially improve the flavor or the overall dining experience. Color, flavor, textures, aromas, temperature. Stick a thermometer in there if you need to. So now you have 5 simple things that you could do today to start cooking or continue cooking homemade Japanese food. But you might need some recipes and maybe even some video inspiration. Kana? Kamoshirimasen? Maybe. Well, you're in luck, because that's exactly why I created the Japanese Cooking Club, to help home cooks and foodies like you cook delicious, healthy Japanese food made with mostly plants. How about that? Want to learn more? Click the link below to get started.